Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Limbus Company black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on iOS devices such as iPhone and iPad. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first solution is to restart or reboot your phone. So long press either volume key and side key until you see the power off slider. Drag the slider, your device will turn off in 30 seconds. Now press and hold side button until the Apple logo appears. Now your device will turn on, and once your device turn on the game and check. Solution 2 is to check for Limbus Company app update. So go to App Store, search for Limbus Company app and then tap on it. And if there are any updates available for this app, then tap on update option and then update it. And after updating the game, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 3 is to open close Limbus Company app for 10 times and set all graphics settings to low. Now this solution is a temporary fix and it has worked for many players. So open close the app for 10 times and then check. Also if it is crashing, then set all graphics settings to low and then turn off volumes. Though it will still laggy, but it won't crash and will fix the problem. Now for the permanent fix, you can wait for developer to release a patch fix or hotfix for the game. So don't forget to try this temporary fix and see if it helps or not. Solution 4 is to check internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Switch to mobile data if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, and if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check Limbus Company is working or not. Solution 5 is to force stop or force close Limbus Company app. So on the home screen, swipe up from the bottom and stop in the middle of the screen. Look for Limbus Company app by swiping right or left and then swipe up to close the app, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 6 is to clear Limbus Company app cache. So navigate to settings, general, iPhone storage, then look for Limbus Company app and then tap on it, and then tap on offload app and then tap on reinstall app, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 7 is to connect to a VPN. So open App Store and search for VPN and install any VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, etc. Then launch the VPN app and then select different location and connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the Limbus Company app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Solution 8 is to reinstall Limbus Company app. So from the app library, tap and hold Limbus Company app. Now click on delete app, delete. Go to App Store, search for Limbus Company app and then reinstall the Limbus Company app, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then you can also check the Limbus Company app server status. It might be possible that the Limbus Company app server is down, having outages or under maintenance. In such scenario, wait for some time and then try to open the Limbus Company app again later and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Limbus Company black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on iOS devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.